coming in through the center along with De Jong and Gullit. यहाँ पे ball को आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. Of course, they would be looking to find someone like maybe Ronaldo or Pele, but instead finds Messi, gives a pass towards Pele. Gullit opened the थोड़ी देर के लिए, was seeking for it, but Pele के साथ shot लेके यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा ओवर थिंक कर जा रहे हैं. यूजुअली अफनान को हमने खेला है, जैसे आप देखा है खेलते हुए, एंड वी हैव सीन कि ही इज अ रियली इंस्ट्रक्टिव प्लेयर. मौका मिलते ही एंड ही चार्जेस इन. दिस कुड बी अ गुड चांस, बट अगेन बिंद्र तेज भी जब बॉक्स के अंदर एंटर कर रहे हैं, यू कुड सी कि कुछ मोमेंट्स ऐसा मिलता है वेरी कुड डायरेक्टली गो फॉर द शॉट, बट थोड़ा डिले कर रहे हैं. बट ये एक अच्छा मौका हो सकता है. ट्राइंग टू हेड इट विद Pele, takes the shot and well appreciated.
Yeah, definitely. Although it could be the sucker punch coming from Afnan over here, it would be really painful for Bindra Tej अगर यहाँ पे goal concede कर दिया तो. He's got now Mbappe to contend with and Ronaldo. The shot coming in and so unfortunate for Bindra Tej. Afnan makes it count, gets that cutback in using the apology celebration जो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा I think fitting है, because Bindra Tej generally has I think had just about the better half, just shaded it. But वो little bit of lapse of concentration at the end. Bindra Tej on the charge or just about managing to keep the ball. अभी for Bindra Tej very important to remain patient. एक ना एक opportunity बिल्कुल आने वाला है and this might be it. Will he take the shot? He does take the shot. And Van der Sar with the save. Maybe not the best angle for that shot. Bindra Tej immediately कोई corner routine नहीं, and you can see maybe should have thought that through a little bit more. थोड़ा सा luck of the draw falling his way. Now falls to Ronaldo. Great movement. Takes the shot. Blocked. Will he shoot again? And it is in off the post. Bindra Tej gets the goal. Finally, a huge sigh of relief from Bindra Tej. Ek goal after so long for him, and 1-1 and all to play for.
Oh yes, much needed goal, and he's just waiting for the right opportunistic moment, but that does not come as Theo Hernandez is there for the interception, and वापस से ATKMB are on their counter attack.
And with that counter attack, a smashing ball through for Ronaldo in at the near post. Bindra Tej is back. If Afnan will be able to break this down, क्योंकि defense generally weak point रहा है for Bindra Tej, and for now for him to see it out for 18 minutes would be difficult, but just strength of numbers. Ball falls to him, surely a goal this time, and again एक बहुत ही unfortunate mistake over there, going maybe a little defensive, but Bindra Tej immediately on the attack using Cristiano Ronaldo. ये एक chance हो सकता है. Forms to Eusebio. What a finish! That's a Rabona finish from Ronaldo. Absolutely outstanding. Bindra Tej, as the ball is heading into that corner flag, Bindra Tej for sure now will be getting this win for ATKMB. Yes, it's done. It is absolutely done. You kick that ball out. Clearly काफी clear game plan लग रहा है KT Viron के. He wants to press V Sharma as high as possible, as quickly as possible, looking for those manual runs, getting through with Mbappe, gets the shot straight away. An incredible save by Van der Sar. But for the most part, you'll see him playing in these areas now with Messi. Brilliant individual skill and the goal for V Sharma. A slight nod to say, yeah, that's me. I'm back, and KT now with work to do.
Oh yes, and little bit, पलक झपकते ही वहाँ पे गोल हो गया, and there you have it.
Counter attack पे उसको काफी chances मिलेंगे, because V Sharma of course does commit a fair amount of players into his attack, and obviously ends up playing sort of a flat four at the back, which is always there to cover. But अगर एक अच्छा counter attacking opportunity मिल जाए, this is well worked using Gullit. Now with Pele, low driven shot, and again the save from Van der Sar. Still, V Sharma has the opportunity. A big gap for Pele now to run into. This could be curtains right here. If he takes that shot, he does take it. Van der Sar flies through the air. Now looking to counter early. Gets the ball to Ronaldo. Now with Cruyff, interesting choice to have Cruyff and Ronaldo as the two forwards for him. Keeping Mbappe on the flank. But he's found the ball through. Surely if he gets this in, it is into the bottom corner. KT Dillon gets the equalizer. And it could be on. The points could be on for ATKMB.
We could literally hear the roars of ATKMB from the virtual stadium. The fans are elated.
Who late goals, late comebacks से king रहे in this tournament. You just give him an opportunity late in the game and he will clutch it. And now again you see able to go 1v1, beat the defender, but Stray pass, but a cheap giveaway in the box. This could be a huge mistake for KT Dillon. Gets the keeper out, blocked on the line, and again that is incredible defending. Oh my goodness, KT, how did you stop that? Again, yeah, both players making mistakes inside that box, and now a huge opportunity for Gullit. What's it going to be? Will he bring the keeper out? Unfortunately for ATKMB, that could be heartbreak. Good Gullit on that counter attack. You can see KT शायद थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा excite हो गए थे by the possibility that he could get the win, committing a lot of players forward, a very brave, cavalier approach. But यहाँ पे I think maybe the good option would have been to bring that keeper out. Cafu and Chinola, absolute mad action over here. Chinola के साथ found Ronaldo. This should be it. This should be curtains, and it is done. V Sharma, the clutch master, gets the goal in the end. He always does. And oh my goodness, it's been absolute. Oh, it's been a heart attack these last 5 minutes, end to end, no idea what's happening, and finally it looks like FC Goa get their win.
But still, he's just trying to race in, maybe get a consolation goal or something. But Vanchaj, oh, that could be a steal! And suddenly, off of a volley, he scored, and it's Chinola from his left feet. And suddenly, Vanchaj चौक से गए. ऐसा लगा कि 440 वॉट का झटका इनको लग चुका है. And all right, we are game on again.
Attack after attack, player running forward and goes all the way back. I'm lost for words right now. Will he do it? He could have done it, but his players got in their own way. It's still falling. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm lost for words right now.
Oh, finally, some sigh of relief as the
starting co-op quite confidently. जैसे उन्होंने बताया था that they have been practicing a lot in co-op. So let's see what they have been working on. We do know FC Goa का game क्या है co-op में. Although they're working this brilliantly, takes the shot and immediately a goal. Have a look at that. The fist bumps are there. And clearly, जो भी उन्होंने काम किया है in their co-op practice, it is paying off. FC Goa are stunned.
Oh yes, and right from the get-go, पहला goal चटका दिया, and this is exactly what they needed.
Very late, बहुत ही close encounter रहा था, and now saved by Van der Sar somehow.
ज़्यादातर chances उनकी तरफ से देखने को नहीं मिल रहे, but this could be a promising one. Eusebio finding some sort of an opening, would definitely look for that pass, but instead goes for a shot.
Match over here, the ball now into Pele. These are the kind of positions that Afnan and Vishara both love. Gets it in, takes the shot, saved by Van der Sar. That was arrowing into the corner, and still just a touch. Looking for the ball now in behind. और यहाँ पे ऐसे एक throwback लग रहा है to the start of the season. This is what they were doing early on, and suddenly you are in with a shot at goal. And there they are in. It's saved by Van der Sar, pushed around the corner somehow.
You know, this little save from Van der Sar has to hurt their morals, definitely, because they put in their hearts and soul, but clearly wasn't enough. Out for a corner, and there you go. Who has been defended again? And you have to say it, Azim. Lady Luck is definitely on their side.
And we said that FC Goa never crossed the ball, but that time they went for the surprise play. Surely this has to be a goal. No, it is saved. That is unbelievable defense. Little indulgent, and now they look for the break. There is the opportunity for Eusebio to run in. They could close this out. There are 4 men in attack. Goes for that back post. Falls to Ronaldo. Unwilling to take that shot with Gullit. Still take the shot, my friend. Still the opportunity, has to cross it. It's a shot open on goal, and it is in to the top corner. ATKMB may just have the win.
Oh yes, 2-0 is what we are talking about, and the boys have scored again.
Well, if ATKMB can just keep the ball, and yes, they have won that ball. And now surely, oh, that's a great reverse ball played to Ronaldo. This could be it. It's saved by Van der Sar. It is a foul, and the final attack is given straight back to ATKMB. Almost, and given straight back to FC Goa. What is going on over here? And now this should be a goal for sure. It is, and will there be enough time?
No, there's no time to celebrate even for FC Goa. They know this match is in the bag for ATKMB, and final whistle blowing off, and yes, they are celebrating. The players are happy, and this is so hard earned, and you can see the expressions, the emotions being splurted out.